good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 15 from verse 33 to verse 47. Jesus dead. When it reached middle day, the whole place get dark till about 3 o'clock the evening. When it catch 3 o'clock, Jesus bawl out loud. Eloi, Eloi, lema sabachthani. That mean, me God, what make you left me and gone? When some of the people when they turn up they hear him, them say, listen, him a call for Elijah. Then somebody run go the piece of sponge in some sour wine, put it on one tick and give him for drink. Then him say, left him, make we see if Elijah a go come take him down from the cross. But Jesus bawl out loud, blow him breath one last time, and dead. Same time, the curtain where it hang up in a God house split in a two from top to bottom. When the head for 100 soldier where they turn up in front of the cross, see how Jesus dead, him say, for real, the man here did really God boy picnic for true. Some woman they turn up further out and watch what go on. Woman like Mary Magdalene, Mary where James and Joseph mother, James did younger than Joseph, and Salome did it too. When Jesus did in a Galilee, them did monks him follow them, and them used to help look after him. Enough more woman when it come up with him, come to Jerusalem, they did it too. Them bury Jesus. The same evening day, at the time for look about things for the Passover holiday, that means at the day before the Sabbath. Joseph, we come from Arimathea, I did one of the Jew them leader where everybody did well respect. Him did a look for God kingdom. Him get brave and go to Pilate but ask him for give Jesus body. Pilate did shock for ear saying dead already. Him call the head for 100 soldier and ask him if Jesus dead already. After him hear where the head for 100 soldier say, Pilate give Joseph Jesus body. Joseph buy some linen cloth, take down Jesus body off of the cross, wrap him up in the cloth and put him in a one tomb where they dig in a one rock. Then he roll one big stone in front of the tomb. Mary Magdalene and the other Mary, Joseph's mother, did see where Joseph did bury Jesus' body. And God word this. Thank God.